Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need the right hardware and software first. Make sure your iPhone model supports action mode and that iOS is up to date. Once updated, free a little storage and close heavy apps so the camera runs smoothly. Now open the camera app directly from the lock screen or home screen. Make sure you're in video mode. Tap the mode name or swipe until you see action mode appear. You're starting the recording flow and preparing for stable motion shots. Once action mode is visible, you should refine settings for the shot. You'll want to choose video frame rate and resolution in settings or via control options. Higher FPS reduces blur but uses more storage. Make sure you stabilize. Use a gimbal, tripod, or a solid two-handed grip so the mode can do its best. If lighting varies, tap to set focus and hold for AE/AF lock so exposure won't hunt while you move. Now press record and move through your scene. You'll notice action mode compensating for shakes and sudden pans. Move deliberately for the best results. If the video shows jitter or dropped frames, make sure resolution or FPS is lower, background apps are closed, and storage isn't full, then record again. If action mode won't enable at all, restart the camera app or reboot the iPhone and confirm you're on the required iOS build. If problems persist, update iOS or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.